When you look at organizations building AI factories, NVIDIA, Tesla, companies ingesting massive amounts of data in real time, these teams are rushing to get infrastructure up and running. And we are talking bare metal here, not virtualized systems. So walk us through the pressure these teams are facing and what are the resources available. And of course, what's the play here for RackN?
Yeah, there's two things that you said that I really want to highlight. One of them is talking about data, and we all know that data is absolutely critical for AI training, and the performance of the systems to ingest data is actually part of the reason why these are AI factories, because it's not as simple as taking a traditional data storage system or a data lake and hooking it up to a switch and then attaching servers to it. The AI factories that we're talking about are highly tuned systems that are all put together to accomplish a specific task. So we're building AI factories to suit, or the industry is building them to suit what RackN is doing, and comes up to the second part of your question, which is the urgency, is our automation is being used to drive the delivery of the infrastructure in ready-to-go state of these AI factories. So just because you have an architect, what we usually call at RackN a layer 0 design. So an architect designs the networking topology and the smart NICs and the machines and the GPUs, and all of that layout is done. Even though that's done, and the teams above that, the AI ops and the platform teams, they know what they're going to lay down and they know what models they're going to run and they know how they're going to do it. What we're finding is these are incredibly complex systems. They're very expensive. The need to get them in market and used is incredibly urgent, right? Our customers who are building AI factories, they take delivery of racks. They don't even know in advance what's going to show up when. They just get them as fast as they can possibly get them. They rack them. They need them running yesterday. They're incredibly expensive systems. We've talked about this a bit already, but it's not just the cost of the systems, right? $250,000 per server, hundreds of millions of dollars per rack, billions of dollars per rack. It's the fact that the opportunity cost of not having these clusters running is significant. And so what we're finding is the automation necessary, and this is where RackN specialty comes in, this layer 1 automation, to qualify the system, inventory it, detect issues, patch and update it, set the networking topology correctly, get all of the bits and pieces of security, the operating systems installed so that it can join the AI clusters. All of that work, that has to be done. It's incredibly detailed work. There's a lot of expertise in that network topology, in having multiple NICs and how everything gets wired together and how smart NICs are configured. What we're finding is the precision needed to reliably automate this gear is something that Digital Rebar was purpose-built for, but our customers, don't have the tooling, they don't have the expertise to just walk into a data center and have these racks up and running. The ones who've done it manually, just to get their prototypes going, then find that manual effort doesn't scale. And you have to learn how to make all this stuff work.